What popcorn can do for your body. Popcorn, a popular snack loved by many, can actually offer some surprising health benefits when consumed in moderation. Here are a few ways popcorn can be beneficial for your body. Fiber source. Popcorn is a whole grain, which means it contains all parts of the grain, including the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes popcorn a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system, promoting regular bowel movements, and preventing constipation. Antioxidant content. Popcorn is rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol. These antioxidants help protect the body against damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Low-calorie snack. When air-popped or prepared with minimal oil, popcorn can be a relatively low-calorie snack option. It is much lower in calories compared to many other popular snack foods like chips or cookies. Choosing popcorn as a snack can help satisfy your craving without adding excessive calories to your diet. Whole grain benefits. Consuming whole grains, like popcorn, has been associated with a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Whole grains are also a good source of vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds that support overall health. Satiety and portion control. Popcorn can help promote a feeling of fullness due to its high fiber content. This can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or control portion sizes. It can help you feel satisfied with a smaller amount of food, reducing the tendency to overeat. Despite these potential benefits, it's important to note that not all popcorn is created equal. Pre-packaged microwave popcorn or theater popcorn often contains added fats, salt, and artificial flavors, which can diminish its health value. Air-popped popcorn or homemade versions with minimal added ingredients are the healthiest choices.